All right, so as you can see behind us, we have literally a helicopter carrying water, burning fossil fuels to dump water, which should have already been there through the percolation of tree roots and tap roots and fibrous roots in the soil. Should have already been there. Now you have to ship it in. So expensive. You're a conservative? Great. You're a liberal? Great. We don't care who you are. We love you, whatever. This is a waste of money. It's literally not an environmental conservation, but a capitalistic conservation. So we need to do this. Look at this. You can see it. I hope we get to see the water actually drop, right? You get to see it. Here it goes. It's going in this helicopter pilot. Let's make sure they're safe. Here it goes, and there's the release. You see it drop it? Literally dropping on the flames, which are coming over the hill as we speak. That's why it's a lighter color. That's not the sun rising. Turn over here and span. Look, the sun has been setting over here, but you can't even see it because of the pollution. So over here, we're going to see flames moments. We're going to moments away from the whole ridge potentially igniting. Again, causing horrible lung diseases. This is enough is enough, right? Plant a tree. #plant a tree. Subscribe to stay alive.